Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Is that there are people coming in promising center of excellence. They at least show that the process is already on. We are trying to create a skilling center today. This skilling center, we are trying to create a center of excellence in the state of Goa with international partnership. We have already identified land in the IDC, or we will give land within the premises of the Goa Medical College, so that we have enough land there where we can have a center. Unfortunately, the state of art center of excellence. And I am talking to him so that India's Center of Excellence, last time Bombay, they had selected one place and they had actually tied up with Tatas. But here in Goa, we are very much with the type of industries that we have in the state of Goa, type of pandemic that is going on, nobody knows when it is going to end. Suddenly when you open the door, suddenly you find again the virus coming in. So as a result, we should be cautious and we should be, and ultimately economic activity is something that cannot be stopped. You can have all the caution and you can have all the measures in place, and we need to also survive. Today, the pandemic that we have faced, pandemic 1, pandemic 2, the new type of skills that are required, we found in a country like India and identified exactly what is happening, where do we lag, and what we need to do in order to face any kind of pandemic in future, and how do we create a robust health system. And we have been able to do it with the leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Here in Goa, with the leadership of my Chief Minister, Dr. Prudent, who's always been supportive. I was just talking to him now, some time back. Goa is already on fast track, and also I would like to mention to the media that we were already in talks with the Singapore Polytechnic. We are also with Tamasek also we were trying to see what we can do. Skilling center देखा मैं सांगा कि हम मंत्री ने सांगला कि गोवा राज्यात स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट स्किलिंग सेंटरचं प्रोसेस ऑलरेडी चालू आहे.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फट्टे.